Hey there, this is Garrett again with American Construction Supply and Rental here at World of Concrete 2022. I'm here in the Klein booth and I just kind of wanted to go over a couple of things that we carry in our stores. We've got the ironworker pliers, super durable, long lasting. A must have for any concrete worker that deals with tying tie wire. And we've got the tie wire belts that are great, super durable, made completely of leather. Yeah, they're a great fit. They're also showcasing some new products. We got these hard hats here with tons of cool attachments. A built-in AC that you can plug right into the back, and on those hot days, you can cool off. So that's real great. They've got all kinds of respirators, different things. And one thing we also have in our stores are the tool bags. These are great durable tool bags. I know guys that have had them for years. They've lasted a long, long time. So yeah, Klein, they have some of the best tools in the business. They've been around since 1857, so they've been in the business a long time, so that means they've got to have a good product. Go ahead and come down to any of our stores at any time. We'd be happy to help you get hooked up with any of these tools. Thank you.